Well, finally, here we go. um, it made me do this 3 times, and the last time I typed the title in and copied it so that I didn't have to type it again if it made me do it again. So, um, so here we are. Can y'all believe it is April 2nd already? First quarter has come and gone. Tax season for most of you is just about over. Some of you, it is over. Congratulations to all of you that have your taxes done and filed, and you are already starting on your, getting caught up on your bookkeeping for 2025. Kudos to you. I am super, super duper proud of you. Hey, Larry, welcome. Good to see you. Hopefully you will be in the membership call shortly. That starts in 27 minutes. Vic, good morning, Ms. Vix. If y'all haven't joined Ms. Vic's channel, go watch her videos. Larry is back on YouTube. Go watch his videos. Robin's not here right now, but she is also on YouTube. So find hers. So we've got Ms. Vix, we've got LL Stash Larry, we've got Robin Shade, all of which have their own YouTube accounts, and I have even more members with their own YouTube accounts. So Vic says, we got my taxes done. Yes, we did. Woohoo! Fantastic. I probably still have at least another solid 2 months worth of tax work to do. Yep. Because people are still coming in, and I'm not currently taking any appointments again until like the 22nd or 23rd. So, while you can make appointments, the soonest that you can get is like the 22nd or 23rd of April. Keeps me out of trouble? Oh, come on, Vic. You know better than that. Larry says, I should have mine done this weekend. Weather will be messy. So today, this call is all about reminding you, setting that appointment with you guys so that now is the time to do your bookkeeping for the month of March. And if you have not gotten caught up, I'm giving everyone a chance because of tax season and because I haven't been doing the bookkeeping for my clients either, for my bookkeeping clients. So now that it's April, we're going to knock out first quarter. We're going to get first quarter done. And then we are going to stay on top of it. So I give everybody a break for the first 3 months of the year. Once your taxes are done, like, you don't have any excuse. You better be on top of that bookkeeping, Vic. So I will be asking everyone during my members call who is up to date on their bookkeeping, and we're going to be setting goals. We're going to be setting goals for the year, and I will be giving stuff away based on those goals based on meeting those goals. And hey, Bobby! Bobby loves to thrift in the house. Hello, hello. Maybe once tax season is done, I'll come do these calls, once a week or something like that, because I miss my YouTube family that I used to get to spend, every morning having coffee with. And it may be 11:37 here, but here, this is my second cup of coffee for the day. Just remember, y'all, I can give you knowledge here, but that knowledge needs to be checked with an accountant, a tax preparer, and gone over with for your situation. So, I'm an accountant, but unless I'm yours, this is not financial or tax advice. Please talk with your accountant about how this information relates to you. For personalized advice, join the membership group for $47 a month, or book a consultation to discuss your specific needs. Larry says, I don't like setting goals. I never keep them. So I don't know that, so goals may not be the right word, right? But you have to find the meaning in whatever it is, your intentions. Like, you have to find the meaning in your intentions. So, if you intend to make $5,000 this month, then what are you going to do to get there? If you intend to make 6 figures this year, what are your intentions on getting there? What is your plan? So don't call it a goal. Call it an intention. Put a plan together. What is your plan going to be? All right. So if you have a plan to go on vacation, you're going to put that plan in motion and you're going to work on that plan and you're going to get there, right? So what's your plan? Cherry Pickett. Hello, hello. Good to see you. So, what's your plan? And how are you going to make your plan happen? That is, I get what you mean, Larry. I get what you mean about not liking the goals. Like, I don't actually look at them as goals either. I look at them more or less that, hey, this is what I want to accomplish this year. I don't call it a goal because there's the whole mindset thing behind it being a goal. And then, or like, new year, new you type stuff. And I'm like, yeah, I don't do, what are those called? What's it called when you, at the beginning of the year, you set, they're not goals either, but it's another word that I don't follow through with. But anyway, my point is, if the word goal, it bothers you, then call it something else, right? But you can't, no goal is going to happen. No thing is going to happen. No, I want to do this is going to happen without a plan. So make your plan and then work the plan. Cherry Pickett says, my plan every year is to improve my number tracking. And although it's slow progress, I have done better each year. Resolutions, that is the word. Resolutions and goals. I have issues with both of those words. Larry says, I hear you. Okay. Fantastic. So, yeah, like Cherry Pickett says, every year we make an improvement. Every year we do a little better with our bookkeeping. We have a little bit better results on our taxes. We have better results in our business. We spend less, we make more. We do better with our budget. Budget, also known as spending plan. For those of you that have issues with the word budget, that's okay. I don't want to ever take away your spending. Like, I love to spend money. I love to spend money. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. Now, granted, I'm doing it by, spending time with people I care about. I'm doing it by going to a nice restaurant. I mean, when I say nice, I like good food and I like good drinks. So, sometimes it's just sitting in front of my camper somewhere with a beer in my hand and, watching the people go by, or reading a book or whatever. So whatever makes you happy, whatever floats your boat, do those things. But I don't want anybody to ever feel restricted by their spending plan. I want you to feel empowered by it, which is why I tend to do a monthly Empower Me spending plan meeting, which is free to my members. And we skipped April, so we'll have one in May. Cherry Pickett says resolutions come from the word resolve, which just means to decide or find a solution. I like that. Like, the definition helps make it better. Does that make sense to y'all? It makes it better. Like, I don't feel so restricted by saying I'm going to find a solution to this issue. I have this thing. I either want to increase this thing or decrease this thing or change this thing in some way. And so I'm going to find a solution to get to the results that I want. Now, granted, I've been given tons of solutions for certain things, but until I make the plan and I decide to execute the plan, none of it's going to happen. So whether that is something financial, whether it is something, business related, operating procedure, a health issue, doesn't matter what it is, you still have to make a plan and work the plan. You have to find the solution that is going to work for you, the solution that you can live with. Larry says, I don't like spending money. It just happens. So Larry, all you want to do is, I don't know, sit in the corner of a room somewhere and do nothing? Cherry Pickett says, or it can mean to just be more determined to achieve something. Having said that, I suck at taxes, even though I set my intention to do it better each year. But here's the thing, Cherry Pickett. We can't be good at everything. And sometimes it just makes more sense. It makes more sense to have somebody do the thing that we don't want to do. Maybe that means hiring a housekeeper. Maybe that means having somebody cut your grass. Maybe that means having your bookkeeping done and hiring somebody to do your taxes. Whatever that means for you. Like, I have plenty of people that are solid at doing their own taxes. I know, Catherine, but I never know whether people want me to use their actual names on here or not. So I tend to just use what is in the what's in the thing. So, but I mean, we're gonna talk tomorrow, so we'll get it knocked out. We'll figure it out. Larry says if I could and still have it come in. I mean, I feel that, right? To an extent, I feel that. I would like to physically work less and make more money. Who wouldn't? I mean, isn't that everybody's goal? If it's not everybody's goal, I don't know what the problem is. But I would love to physically work less and have more money come in. But I'm not just going to sit in the corner of a room somewhere in the dark and not enjoy my time making the more money. Whether it means that I'm going to go out and spend time with friends, or I'm going to go spend time with family, or I'm just going to go out by myself and have a good old time, having some, maybe I'm having some coffee. Maybe I'm wandering around, sightseeing somewhere. Maybe it's window shopping. Maybe it's walking my dogs. Maybe it's lounging in a swimming pool or a hot tub. Whatever it means for you. I want you to be happy and do the things that make you happy and live a comfortable life that is mostly stress-free. I would like to say 100% stress-free, but I don't think that's even a good thing. I think we need to have at least a little bit of stress, but I don't think it needs to be around taxes. Like, I will take on all of the stress for you guys around taxes. I'll take all the stress around bookkeeping also, if you choose that. So Catherine says, yep, and I will be ready. Nope. Oh, and will I be ready? Nope. Well, you have time. So get ready. You can do it. You can have all the things done between now and tomorrow afternoon. It just means putting the stuff in the Dropbox so that we can go over whatever you need to go over. And are you sure you want to do a consult again this year? I thought you were just going to let me have it. But I want, if you've got questions, as always, I'm here to answer them. I do this call once a month, always the first Wednesday of the month. That's our bookkeeping day, our monthly bookkeeping appointment. And so the goal is that you come here and you're like, okay, I'm on it. I'm doing my bookkeeping for the previous month. In this case, I want to know, Is your January bookkeeping done? Is your February bookkeeping done? Because now it's time to get your March done. So drop it in the chat. Is January done? Is February done? Is March done? In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to grab a piece of paper. And I am going to, like, some of y'all are my members. So, but we've got Larry and Ms. Vix and Cherry Pickett, who's Catherine. And we've got Bobby Loves to Thrift. Hey, Brittany. We got Brittany. Did I miss anybody? Okay, so that's everybody that is in the chat. So if you are here, Chris Trant. Hello, hello. So, who do we got? Let's see. Catherine says all 3 done for this year. So January, February, March. All right. Chris Trant says, no, I am way behind. Just finished my taxes yesterday, and I have you on mute because I just answered a phone call. So Chris is... So Chris, you have until this call next month. Am I still on mute? I'll come back to Chris in a minute. Larry says, nope, let me get the tax done first, and then I'll start with 2025 bookwork. Okay. So taxes not done. Vic, taxes are good. Let's see. I had more neck problems. I have my computer open and setting up my 2025 workbook with this year's expenses. So no. Bobby loves to thrift. No, I have excuses. I have been so sick off and on. Just got my taxes done. Stressful, but I am ready to get caught up. I got my new spreadsheet today. Okay, so no for Bobby. Vic is not at her day job together, so no for Chris. Brittany? Is caught up. January, February, March. Woohoo! Wow, you've got March done too? Fantastic. Your workbook is the best. Yay! That makes me so happy. Hey, y'all, hit the thumbs up button. So, if you are watching, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 people that are watching right now. There are 6 people that told me where they are. So I have everybody's names. Okay. This is everybody's written down. Okay. I'm going to have this here so that it's going to be, I'm going to start keeping track. So if you come next month for this call and all of your bookkeeping is caught up, you will be entered to win something in a drawing. Okie doke. So If you are watching and you haven't spoken, then let me know who it is. Cherry Pickett says, can the prize be a year off of taxes? No, not for first quarter. But if starting next month, you're on this list now, and starting next month, and you get every month done, then I might do a giveaway to do your taxes for free next year. I might do a giveaway to for a year's worth of membership. So, and if there's one thing I know for absolute sure, is that I might have to have somebody else run the giveaways, because I'm like I'm not a huge fan of Oprah. I'm not. And that's okay. We don't all have to be. But I'm absolutely in the same boat as and you get one, and you get one, and you get, like, when I start giving stuff away, I want to give stuff away. Like, so I may have to have somebody else run the giveaway. I may not even be able to be there for the giveaway. Let's see. Yay, Bobby. Awesome. So next month is, yes, May 7th. And it is, yes, 10:30 Central Time, 11:30 Eastern, 9:30 West Coast. Now, if you are coming here and you're also in the membership group, you get to double dip on giveaways. So keep that in mind. So we've got 8 people in here now. Beth Bruno. You're going to miss what? Today's call? It's 2 hours. It's 2 hours. So it's the next 2 hours. So if you can come in at any time, pop in. If you can't, okay. But it's every Wednesday the same time as far as in the membership group. Beth, is your bookkeeping up to date? Are your taxes done? CM Trades says, hey, I'm coming in to ask a tax question in the membership call. Yay! Okay, Beth, so I'm right. I got Beth and CM Trades now. So Beth, CM Trades is your, yes, meeting is through, yes, the meeting's through Zoom, Catherine. So if you get your bookkeeping caught up by May 7th next month, May 7th for this call, and then keep it caught up, I'm going to be doing giveaways throughout the year, but I'm going to have big giveaways come the end of the year. If everybody stay for all the people that stay caught up. And you may have to send me some screenshots. So come on, honesty is the best policy. All right, CM Trades, are you caught up with your bookkeeping? I want that answer here, because if you're in the membership group, you get to double dip. Get to double dip on the giveaways. You know, we don't do double dipping in taxes, but I will let you double dip in the giveaways till we get a car. Sure, Larry, I will make sure that there is at least one car giveaway. I'm not guaranteeing what the car is. CM Trades, I'm talking about your bookkeeping. If your bookkeeping is up to date for 2025 yet. If it is not, you have until next month. Larry, don't you be giving away my secrets. You asked for a car. You didn't say what kind. That's too late. I said that there would be a car. I did not say what kind, and you did not specify until now. So that's out. Like, you can't specify now. Yes, your spreadsheet, your work, however you do your bookkeeping. That's what I'm asking. If your bookkeeping is up to date. But here's the thing. Everybody that answered, everybody that talked in the chat is in this list. And I've got to go to my membership group. So May 7th, same time, same place, right back here. Come back next month and let me know where you are. Okay? Send me screenshots that your bookkeeping is actually caught up to date. And we will have a giveaway. If your bookkeeping is up to date, you're on this list, and your bookkeeping is up to date, and you are here for this call next month. Yeah, same bat time, same bat channel. There will be a giveaway. All right? And if you're in the membership group, we'll do a giveaway then too. All right? All right. Members, I will see you over there in the Zoom room. Just give me like 30 seconds to move over. Bye, everybody.